morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. In today's AI Traders Live episode, we'll be focusing on the FTSE100 stocks. We're going to look at the index constituents. We're going to run 4 artificial intelligence screening engines through them to come up with the latest, hottest trading ideas as identified by artificial intelligence. Now, just a bit of background. The Fulgent AI system was developed by Nirvana Systems for over the last 25 years and is based on genetic algorithms that can find profitable patterns in any kind of market. And the Fulgent AI sits on the Metastock platform. It's also another award-winning software provider that's been helping self-directed traders for over 30 years. Now, the AI explores 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of indicators and market relationships using genetic algorithms. This is a job impossible for a human to do. It identifies areas where there's a high probability of trading success using the AI. Let's jump straight into the Metastock platform, screening the FTSE100 stocks, looking for the hottest, tradest, artificial intelligence generated trading ideas. I did the screen just before the show. It took about 13, almost 14 minutes for the AI to run through the FTSE100 index constituent stocks and identify those stocks where the AI is either in a long or that in a short or something with a fresh new signal. If I sort the columns by bars, tell you how old the trade is, we can see there's quite a lot of trades where the AI is in for a long time. Rolls-Royce, Sergo 87 days there, Just Eat 41 days, Barclays 40 days, Sage Group 39 days, Continental Hotels 39 days, Unilever 25 days. So you can see there's quite a lot of trades that the AI is already in a trade, but we're only interested in the most recent ones for now, for the purpose of the show. And I've loaded a couple of the charts, and let's go and take a look at the individual charts. Let me maximize this. There we go. So these are the ones we're going to run through. Avast is a takeover target, I think. So despite being a takeover target, you can see the swing trade here in May worked out beautifully. Tremendous return there, volatility breakout. So we'll skip this one for now since it's been taken over. And I'm going to minimize this window. Next up is GlaxoSmithKline. We've got a volatility breakout in here. The AI adds the trailing stop loss right here at 1368. Is the trading stop loss for this volatility breakout. Your profit target would be these old highs here as a resistance zone. So these are the levels to watch out for. So the AI is recommending a volatility trade, identified a volatility trade opportunity here, and it's a swing trade basically with old highs as a key resistance level. Let's go and take a look at the next one. British American Tobacco is another one that's a volatility breakout. We're going to zoom in there. You can see the AI has put a trailing stop loss in here around just below 26 with all highs here as your upside profit target. That cluster of these old support zones here and the old top levels there will give you an idea of the upside risk. Potential upside volatility breakout. So your first port of call is this is the first profit target zone, and then the second trade you take off when it gets to in and around this level. So that's the first leg move, and the second leg move is the second leg of British American Tobacco. Right, let's go take a look at the next one. GlaxoSmithKline, Legal and General. Quick move. This is actually a short sell, is interesting enough. Quick move to the downside. Very difficult market to short, but nevertheless interesting to see if that one will pan out. So we'll minimize that one. Next. Now this one's been in a trade for a very long time. You can see there's a swing trade back in April. It worked out, of the previous year, it worked out well. Let's just go and check where this actually AI signal comes from. If there's anything on the 4-hour chart, gives us some idea of a short, medium-term swing trade on next. You can see there was a quick move to the upside. Yeah, not a pertinent signal, so we'll take this one off the list. It's still in a long. The AI is still in a long, so your stop loss is very wide. So anybody buying this is buying in a sideways moving trade, so it's still in a long, so we can use that one off. 3i group, volatility breakout there. You can see the stop loss is optimized to be around the 1265 zone. and we can expect that to be retested just because this old high is a support zone, so just underneath that support zone, and these old highs would be the upside target in this case. All right, so 3i group is a volatility breakout signal. You can see there's a couple of other good signals in the past that's worked out well for 3i group. Aberdeen PLC, we've got a volatility breakout swing trade here. The stop loss is around about there at the 247.88 level, and the old highs here would be the resistance target. There we go. There we go. So we have potential for a move from this zone back up to the resistance zones to the upside. Yeah. So Aberdeen PLC, that's a volatility breakout swing trade with an optimized stop loss. Okay. AstraZeneca, also volatility breakout here. Stop loss, trailing stop loss here at this zone here at 79.24, and your profit targets would be these old highs, that resistance zone to the upside there. So AstraZeneca swing trade, volatility breakout swing trade with a very wide aggressive stop loss. Okay. Aviva, volatility breakout there. You can see this last of November worked nicely. December also a quick move, volatility breakout. There's a trailing stop in and around this zone there of 392.78, and then your resistance would be these old highs as a key resistance zone there on this particular trade. So volatility breakout. Aviva's moving sideways, looking for a breakout out of this trading range. So we're trading this move from this low bottom end range to the upside resistance levels there. So BA Systems, a volatility breakout there. If we zoom in, we will see where the stop loss is. The AI volatility adjusted stop loss is in and around 543.192. And then the upside would be the old highs here, would be your cluster of upside resistance, and that's the profit target. So we're in around the current levels with upside at 583 is the upside resistance target for BA Systems. Also a volatility breakout, AI generated trade. Let's have a look at the next one. BA Systems, a volatility breakout there. If we zoom in, we will see where the stop loss is. The AI volatility adjusted stop loss is in and around 543.192. And then the upside would be the old highs here, would be your cluster of upside resistance, and that's the profit target. So we're in around the current levels with upside at 583 is the upside resistance target for BA Systems. Also a volatility breakout, AI generated trade. Let's have a look at the next one. Just to recap, here's the full list sorted by most recent trades. A 1 in the long tells you it's in a long, and a 1 in the short column tells you it's in a short. But you can see a couple of great new trades as generated by artificial intelligence, highly profitable algorithms that generates these fantastic trades. You can see there's quite a lot of other famous ones, Rio Tinto in there, BP, Ferguson, Land Securities, Royal Dutch Shell, AMB. All in for 16 to a couple of weeks already in these trades. So far so good. So I'm generating some great returns using the artificial intelligence engine. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got 2 options for the buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on Metastock platform. And that brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live, focusing on FTSE 100 index constituents. Join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now.